As geopolitical tensions escalate in Eastern Europe, France has unveiled a substantial €2 billion military aid package to bolster Ukraine's defense capabilities. The announcement, made during Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's visit to the Élysée Palace on March 26, 2025, underscores France's commitment to reinforcing Kiev's ability to withstand Russian aggression. French President Emmanuel Macron detailed the military assistance plan, which includes a diverse array of weaponry and equipment tailored to support Ukraine's ongoing resistance efforts. A significant portion of this aid consists of advanced missile systems, such as Milan anti-tank missiles, Mistral surface-to-air missiles, and Mica air-to-air missiles for the Mirage 2000-5F fighter jets that France previously supplied to Ukraine. The package also includes VAB armored personnel carriers, AMX-10RC reconnaissance vehicles, various munitions, drones, and provisions for joint production initiatives with French defense companies. Among the key components of the aid package, the Milan missile system stands out as an effective tool for countering Russian armored advancements. This portable anti-tank weapon, co-developed by France and Germany, can pierce up to 1,000 mm of armor and has a maximum range of 2,000 meters. Ukrainian forces have effectively deployed Milan missiles in semi-urban and wooded terrains, disrupting Russian advances with precision strikes. Another crucial addition to Ukraine's air defense arsenal is the Mistral missile system. Designed for short-range engagements, these infrared-guided missiles can be shoulder-launched or mounted on vehicles, providing defense against low-flying aircraft, helicopters, and drones. With an effective range of 6 kilometers, Mistrals complement Ukraine's existing air defense infrastructure and help neutralize threats such as Russian Lancet and Shahid drones. To strengthen Ukraine's aerial combat capabilities, the French aid package also includes Mica missiles. These versatile air-to-air weapons, which can be guided by infrared or active radar, have a range exceeding 50 kilometers. Designed to equip Mirage 2000-5F jets, Mica missiles enhance Ukraine's ability to engage enemy aircraft, even in electronically contested environments. The package also comprises a fleet of VAB armored personnel carriers, Véhicules de l'Avant blind. These 4x4 and 6x6 vehicles, commonly used for troop transport, offer moderate armor protection and can be outfitted with machine guns or grenade launchers. Their versatility makes them well-suited for battlefield logistics and mobile command operations. Previous VAB deliveries played a crucial role in Ukraine's counteroffensive efforts, particularly during the push toward Kherson. Additionally, France is providing AMX-10RC reconnaissance vehicles, which have already proven their effectiveness in Ukraine. Equipped with a 105 mm cannon and capable of reaching speeds up to 85 km per hour, these wheeled combat vehicles have been used in rapid assault operations against Russian supply convoys. Their speed and firepower make them valuable for mobile engagements, though their light armor necessitates cautious deployment. In a bid to enhance Ukraine's remote engagement capabilities, the French aid package includes various remotely operated munitions and drones. These technologies, though not fully specified, are expected to encompass both reconnaissance drones and loitering munitions, allowing Ukrainian forces to conduct precision strikes while minimizing direct exposure to enemy fire. Given the increasing role of drones in modern warfare, their integration into Ukraine's arsenal marks a significant tactical advantage. Beyond immediate military assistance, Macron emphasized the strategic importance of joint defense production initiatives between Ukraine and French defense firms. Companies such as Nexter, MBDA, and Arquus are likely to collaborate with Ukrainian manufacturers, ensuring a steady supply of critical defense systems while strengthening Ukraine's domestic military-industrial base. This move aligns with broader European efforts to establish a sustainable supply chain for Kiev's defense needs. The announcement of this aid package comes at a time of shifting geopolitical dynamics, particularly with the return of Donald Trump to the U.S. presidency in January 2025. With the new administration adopting a more isolationist stance, European nations have been compelled to reassess their defense strategies. France, alongside Germany, Poland, and the Baltic states, has intensified its military and financial support for Ukraine, ensuring that European-led initiatives can fill potential gaps left by uncertain U.S. policies. By spearheading this significant military aid package, France is positioning itself as a key player in Ukraine's defense and the broader European security framework. The €2 billion commitment not only reinforces Ukraine's immediate battlefield capabilities but also establishes long-term defense cooperation, ensuring that Kyiv remains resilient in the face of ongoing aggression.